Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best drawing tablets for animation. Number 1. XP Pen Adjustable. Experience seamless creativity with a fully laminated screen that eliminates distractions and minimizes parallax, allowing for a more natural and immersive drawing experience. The high-resolution 13.3-inch display offers an exceptional color gamut with 88% NTSC, Adobe RGB 91%, sRGB 123%, ensuring vibrant colors, sharp details, and a 178-degree wide viewing angle for stunning visual accuracy. Enhance your workflow with an intuitive tilt function, supporting up to 60 degrees of tilt for smooth shading and natural transitions between strokes. No need to constantly adjust brush settings. A sleek red dial, designed for efficiency, allows easy control over zooming, brush sizes, and canvas rotation. Paired with 8 customizable shortcut keys, it provides a streamlined and personalized creative process. Enjoy effortless precision with a battery-free stylus featuring 8,192 pressure levels, a low initial activation force, and 2 customizable buttons for enhanced control. Designed for comfort, the pen ensures a lag-free experience at 220 RPS. Compatible with Windows and macOS, it supports a wide range of creative software, making it a versatile tool for digital artists. The package includes a 3-in-1 cable and additional accessories, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Perfect for artists seeking a professional and responsive drawing experience. Number 2. PicassoTab Digital Graphic. Unlock your creativity with a compact and feature-packed digital drawing device designed for artists on the go. Its sleek 11-inch Full HD screen offers a generous workspace with a fully laminated display, minimizing parallax for a precise and immersive drawing experience. The anti-glare feature provides a paper-like feel, reducing reflections and ensuring comfort during extended creative sessions. Pre-installed with premium drawing and animation apps, it comes equipped with powerful tools to bring your artistic ideas to life. Whether sketching, illustrating, or animating, the intuitive software selection enhances productivity and streamlines the creative process. For beginners, built-in drawing tutorials provide guided lessons, making it easier to develop skills and gain confidence in digital artistry. Beyond drawing, this device offers powerful performance with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, providing ample space for artwork, files, and multimedia. The octa-core CPU ensures smooth multitasking, allowing seamless transitions between creativity and entertainment. Whether sketching, learning, or streaming, this versatile tablet adapts to your needs. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for artists who want the freedom to create anywhere without compromising on power and performance. Number 3. Simbans Beginner. Experience the perfect blend of creativity and productivity with an affordable digital tablet designed for drawing, animation, and note-taking. Equipped with a responsive active pen and pre-installed creative apps, it provides everything needed to sketch, animate, or jot down notes effortlessly. Whether you're a student, artist, or hobbyist, this device makes digital creativity accessible and enjoyable. Included in the box are 4 valuable bonus items: a high-quality tablet case, a drawing glove for a smoother experience, a universal power adapter, and a pre-installed screen protector, an added value of $50 at no extra cost. The compact 10-inch screen offers an immersive visual experience with an IPS HD resolution that delivers crisp images and vibrant colors. Powered by a robust MediaTek quad-core processor, it ensures smooth multitasking, while the 64 GB internal storage provides ample space for apps, projects, and media. Seamless connectivity keeps you productive and entertained wherever you go. With Wi-Fi support, online access is always within reach, while the micro HDMI port allows for easy connection to a TV for a larger viewing experience. GPS functionality and a USB Type-C port provide versatility, making this tablet an excellent choice for both work and play. Number 4. HUION Customized. Unleash your creativity with a sleek and powerful digital drawing device designed for artists of all levels. Featuring a spacious 10 by 6.25-inch working area, it provides a comfortable and immersive space to bring ideas to life. The ultra-slim 10mm profile and minimalist design enhance portability without compromising functionality, making it an excellent choice for both professional artists and beginners. Equipped with a battery-free stylus, this device ensures uninterrupted creativity without the need for charging. With plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support, it accurately captures natural brush strokes and drawing gestures, allowing for effortless shading and line variation. The advanced pressure-sensitive pen delivers a precise and responsive drawing experience. Customizability enhances workflow efficiency with 12 programmable press keys and 16 programmable soft keys, enabling easy access to frequently used shortcuts like zoom, scroll, and eraser functions. Designed for versatility, it is compatible with Windows, macOS, Android, and Linux, supporting a wide range of design and illustration software. Ideal for both right and left-handed users, the symmetrical design allows for seamless adjustments. Whether sketching, designing, or animating, this drawing tablet delivers precision, flexibility, and ease of use, making it a valuable tool for every creative journey. Number 5. HUION Digital Art. Streamline your creative process with a compact and customizable digital drawing tablet designed for efficiency and precision. 6 easily accessible press keys can be personalized to match your workflow, allowing for a smoother and more productive experience. Whether switching between apps or adjusting tools, customization ensures that creativity flows effortlessly. The included battery-free stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, delivering a natural and responsive drawing experience. Designed to feel like a standard pen, it allows for precise control, while side buttons enable quick switching between pen and eraser modes. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfort during long drawing sessions. Slim and highly portable, this device measures just 0.3 inches thick and weighs only 1.41 pounds, making it easy to carry between home, school, or the studio. It seamlessly connects to Mac, Windows, Linux, and Android devices, providing a versatile digital workspace. Beyond drawing, it serves as an intuitive mouse alternative, perfect for signing documents, taking digital notes, and remote collaboration. Compatible with a variety of creative and educational applications, it is an excellent tool for artists, students, and professionals alike. Perfect for beginners, this tablet makes digital creativity more accessible and enjoyable. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.